What if I told you that when a cop pulls you over for something seemingly minor, like expired tags, there's a whole different game being played? It's not always about the ticket, folks. In the next minutes, we're going to dive into the real reasons behind those routine stops. And trust me, it's probably not what you think. Before start, please note, this information is for educational purposes only and is not legal advice. All right, let's start. You're driving, maybe a little distracted, and bam, you realize your license plate tags expired last month. We've all been there, or at least worried about it. It seems like a simple open and shut case, right? An officer sees expired tags, they pull you over, you get a ticket, maybe a warning, and you go on with your day. But that's often just the surface layer. Here's the crucial point. Expired tags, a cracked windshield, a dangling air freshener. These are what law enforcement often refers to as pretextual stops. What does that mean? It means the officer uses a minor traffic infraction as a pretext or an excuse to pull you over, when their actual goal is to investigate something else entirely. Maybe they're looking for signs of impairment, or they have a hunch about a more serious crime, or perhaps they're just trying to gather information. So how does this play out in the real world? Imagine an officer is patrolling an area known for a recent string of burglaries. They see a car with expired tags. While the expired tags are a legitimate reason to initiate a stop, the officer might also be looking to see if the driver matches a suspect description, or if there's any stolen property visible in the car. The expired tags give them the legal justification to make contact and observe. It's important to understand that in most states, police officers can pull you over for any observed traffic violation, no matter how minor. The Supreme Court has affirmed the legality of pretextual stops, as long as the initial reason for the stop is a valid traffic infraction. This means that while the officer's true motivation might be something more, their legal justification for the stop stands. So what should you do if you get pulled over for expired tags and you suspect it might be a pretextual stop? First and foremost, remain calm and safe. Pull over in a well-lit area if possible. Turn on your interior lights at night. Keep your hands visible, preferably on the steering wheel. When the officer approaches, be polite and respectful. You have the right to remain silent, and you also have the right to refuse searches of your vehicle or your person unless the officer has probable cause or a warrant. If an officer asks to search your car, you can politely say, "Officer, I do not consent to searches." Remember, consent is key. If you consent, you give up some of your rights. You don't have to answer questions about where you're going, where you've been, or what you have in your car. You can simply state, "I prefer not to answer any questions without my attorney present." This is your right. Always remember to document the interaction if you can safely do so. Many states allow you to record police interactions, but be aware of your local laws. If you have a passenger, they can record as well. Note down the officer's badge number, patrol car number, and the time and location of the stop. The bottom line is this: while expired tags might seem like a small thing, they can open the door to a much broader interaction with law enforcement. Understanding the concept of pretextual stops empowers you to better protect your rights. Drive safe, stay informed, and always remember your rights during a traffic stop.